Bibili na mamaya.
Ano yung 36?
Laki.
Now, what I can say about 36, oh. Everyone is very interested by their working with us. I don't need to compliment her much because that is very much expected of what we is assigned as coordinator of defense discipline. And of course, it will be will miss her very much, no? And the big difference is between be going to a place which is more glamorous than our office. I'm sure of that. Pag nakita niya yung kanyang papasukan doon, puro high-tech yun. Saka maganda yung workspace. Samantalang tayo dito, para tayo sa bodega. Kaya Karen, ipagpamanhin mo na don't forget us that in spite of this, we are able to do our best and survive the past so many years. Now, of course, not only us, but other people, as Luis mentioned, they've been asking for Karen, because been a sort of fireworks. Karen, pinagin na niya. But then this time, I think, we don't know what to ask them. Pero nasa mo, kasi kami sa Singapore. Sabi ko naman, bakasyon lang, ewan ko lang. So, bakasyon siya sa Singapore. Singapore, matagal naman ikang bakasyon yan. No? Now, first of all, one is expected to be really dedicated to your work. And kung yung haluan ng Malaysia ang dedication, yung isipin na kaya kayo ay subsub ang ulo nyo, nagpapaano kayo sa amin, no? Hindi, lahat kayo pantay sa amin. Ngayon ay this is what we call complete attitude and effort that goes together, gets together, and the result is really very good. Now, but a reminder to all of you, IB especially, for the time being, all of us, because of reasons of earning more, that is undeniable, you setting yourself first, but don't forget architecture.